squat pivot matrix, frontal plane driven, common. We also have uncommon, which we'll get to. We're going to start off in an R-LXX position. R-LXX position, so feet staggered, right foot forward, left leg back a bit. We are pre-positioned in this the staggered stance in the sagittal plane. Frontal plane again is going to be the facilitated and the driven dimension to create the motion we're looking for. And to start off, the transverse plane is in the X position, so we're going R-LXX in a normal stance, driving in the frontal plane. And so what we have is, when we cross over our feet, I'm starting in what I consider a normal position for me. So maybe for some that's wider, maybe for some that's narrow, but what we do back and forth as we pivot needs to be consistent. And so it's important that both feet point straight ahead. So when we cross over, I consider this to be my normal. I consider this to be my narrow. I consider this to be my wide right here when we get to those. And so my R-LXX frontal plane driven squat matrix, pivot squat matrix, looks a little like this. So normal wise. And if I were to drive in the frontal plane with an LXX position, looks something a little like this right here. Shifting back to